heard that TikTok is going away. I haven't been really watching the news on that topic, but from watching videos on TikTok, I heard that it is getting banned as early as tomorrow. Please don't quote me on that, okay? Like I said, I don't watch the news on that. But I want to thank you guys for all the love and all the support. I've met some amazing and supportive people on here. You guys have been supportive of me from the beginning, and I want to thank you guys for that. Without you guys, there's no Belvy Candles. I started on TikTok. I've built my little community on TikTok. I started to reach my target audience because of TikTok, and now it's being taken away. Okay, uh, but I do have an Instagram. It's Belvy Candles. I would love to stay connected. So if you follow me, or if you want to leave your Instagram username, then I can follow you, or you can simply follow me, then I'll follow you back. I love you guys so much. I'm going to miss you guys, and decided to give some discount on all my candles. The code is TikTok 2025 for 30% off. It was nice engaging with you all, and I guess I'll see you guys on the other side, which is Instagram. I do have a YouTube, but there's really no videos on there. But I'll see you guys on Instagram. Bye.